Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 5008 SUV in the GT line specification. This is a 7-seater vehicle that comes with a 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. Outside the car there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the customisable digital head-up display, there's 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, cruise control and a smartphone charging plate. Let's have a look around. This car has just had its first year service, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.